So good people, you would be wise to spend a penny or two here. So, who's got a number? Opening bidder offer. I'm all fired up, ready to go. Buyer for the property. You tell me.
I'll jump at 500.
Now you're my angel, okay? My guardian angel here. 10. Thank you. Don't be holding your breath. We've got 2 in at this stage. Good. I get to stay out of the bidding. That's our preference at Harcourts. Extra charge. Okay, you've shortened my stride, and that's okay. 585. Take a lot of confidence. You're landing straight on 60. But I'm going to give you some privileged and confidential information. So every lady here has graciously increased her bid to 612,000 New Zealand dollars. On that proviso, I offer finality, ownership, and hold tight. This will seem like a really long 10 seconds. Up she goes. We sell, we sell.
625.
Right, I gotta commend that bid, mate. That is a cash goal, right? Because also he's landed on $5/8 at 625. What a genius call that is. What's up at 26? I welcome you back. Now she navigated the strategy. I got no idea who's going to win it.
630.
630 puts up the quaddy at 630,000. Selling at 630. What about my lady? Got me started. Lovely to meet you. Thank you for coming. At 630. 31. 32 on the counter. At 32 at 32. Under the dappled shade of the Opahutakawa at 33. She's going nowhere either. Give me 40. 35, okay. Puts up the 2. No ramifications if you change your mind. Have a breather. Think about woulda, coulda, shoulda. I'll call it down for 3 times, and if you want to come back, you're beauty. But if not, thank you. At 635,000. Put up the little 5 drinking vouchers. Another 500. Oh, please, I asked.
We didn't ask us.
You always make me look good, which is very hard to do. At 35 and a half. 5,000 more?
500. Yeah.
36. But man, that's what you said to me last time. Now I'm really last chance at 636 goes. I have to ask though. Right out. Going. Sold to you, sir. Good on you. You happy, Mary? Mary, you happy?
You think you're